Welcome to Knowledge Chat channel. In this video, we will be discussing about it is part 6 of the Six Sigma in telehealth applications. So we were discussing about how to optimize the virtual patient consultants using the Six Sigma technique in telehealth industry. And previously we have discussed about these things. I have given you an overview of five different videos we have been discussed, and now this is the sixth part of the video, which will make you understand the final conclusions of what we have discussed in all the above 5 videos. So without any further delay, let us go into today's session. So as we have already discussed this particular video, we will be discussing about that is Six Sigma in telehealth for optimizing the virtual patient consultants. So actually what happens is, this Six Sigma concept everybody knew that it is following this DMAC architecture, that is define, measure, analyze, improve and control. So this is what is all about. So just to have a quick recap of what we have discussed in the previous videos. So let us move on to the next slide. That is actually we have discussed about the need, applications and concepts, and we have also given a small introduction of the ED crisis, and what are the challenges, and what is the patient volume and wait times, everything we have discussed. So in order to understand in a better way, you know that the Six Sigma is nothing but it is a quality control tool, and it uses a data driven philosophy, and it is used by world largest organization to achieve a near perfection. And for any MBA student or any MBA professional, understanding its why and where is the key to the career growth. Okay, so this is what I just want to convey. And that the Six Sigma, the primary goal of the Six Sigma is to reach to the level of quality where the process produces no more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities, that is 3.4 DPMO. Okay, so this actually is this particular Six Sigma is used in organizations in order to minimize the variation, increase the profitability, and improve the fact based decision making, as well as customer loyalty can be improved. So it is used in many industries like Amazon, Ford, Caterpillar, Samsung, Bank of America, American Express, etc. So as we have already discussed in the previous video, I just want to again give you a small recap that this particular Six Sigma has having many certifications. Different levels are there according to the level of the expertise and responsibility. The Six Sigma has been classified into different belts. So the first and basic level is white belt, then yellow belt, then green belt, then black belt, then finally the master black belt. So this is, which is also called as MVP. And finally we will be discussing about what are the job opportunities available. Okay, so the highest level is master black level, whereas the foundation awareness level is nothing but the white belt. Okay, so these things we have also given a small awareness in the previous videos, and now we will move on discussing of today's topic. So as you know that today's topic is a very important topic, and we have discussed about various aspects in the previous videos, whereas here in this video we will be discussing about how this particular telehealth, okay, that is Six Sigma and telehealth, is going to improve the user experience, and also I will be giving you some strategic scalability for global healthcare. So then I will be closing this video, and let's move on. And yes, you know that for example, the success of the telehealth is always depends on heavily on the patient and provider satisfaction. Is it right? So LSS tools always helps to identify friction points in the user interface that lead to actually frustrations. By simplifying the patient portal and reducing the number of clicks required to join a call, healthcare MNCs can increase the patient's sickness and ensure that the technology acts as an enabler rather than a barrier to the care. So hope you are clear with what is nothing but the how the Six Sigma improves the user experience. Okay, so the success of any telehealth depends so heavily on the patient and provider satisfaction. Is it right? So moving on, the finally I just told that I just want to conclude this particular thing with giving you some strategic scalability for the global healthcare. See, for an MBA student, the study of Six Sigma in telehealth highlights how the operational excellence drives the global scalability. When a process is using Six Sigma and Lean and standardized, a healthcare provider can easily scale their services across different regions and different time zones without proportional increase in administrative overhead. This is a very important thing you want to understand. So this makes this Lean Six Sigma a cornerstone of the strategic growth in the competitive digital health landscape. So hope you're clear with what I'm trying to tell. So for any MBA student, the study of LSS, that is Lean Six Sigma in the telehealth, highlights how operational excellence drives the global scalability. Okay, so when a process is for example, a process is actually Six Sigma based, the healthcare provider can easily scale their services across different regions and across different time zones without any proportional increase in their administrative overhead. This is what you want to note down. So really it gives a strategic growth in this competitive digital health landscape. So I'm sure that this Six Sigma is a very need of the hour today. Okay, so why we are needed with this Six Sigma? Okay, so again we will move on. Okay, so already we have discussed in the initiation of this topic, and now why we are needed of this Six Sigma. So Six Sigma is nothing but a quality control tool. It is using the data-driven philosophy, and it is used by world largest organization. So those things we have discussed initially. And what are the job opportunities for the certified professionals? See, for example, by having the Six Sigma certification, it will be acting as a quality stamp in your resume actually, and it always leads to about 10 to 20% salary increase. See, for example, you may be posted as continuous improvement manager or operational manager, quality assurance manager, process consultant, project manager, and data scientist, and so on. So these are the different job opportunities for the certified professional. So always try to get the white belt, yellow belt, or green belt, and finally you can achieve the black belt, and you can get all many different many different job titles will be there, which also leads to improvement in your salary of about 20 to, that is 10 to 20% increase in your salary. So I just want to conclude. Okay, and I just want to conclude with, okay, if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you really have any doubts which has to be clarified, post the questions in the comment section. And if you really feel that this particular video will be helpful to someone, please share it. And if you really like the videos which I post on the channel, please subscribe to this channel by giving some motivation so that I can post more such videos in the near future. So thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.